Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making mutton keema balls. For that I've taken onion, around 3 of them. Then I've taken ginger and garlic. Along with it I've taken some red chilies and also some green chilies. This is the cinnamon and cloves. The spice level you can adjust it according to your taste. Already kept a pan. Now I'll be adding around 2 tablespoons of oil to it. I've taken 3 small spoons of oil. Now to this I'm adding the cloves and the cinnamon. Along with it I'm also adding both the chilies, both the dried chilies and the green chilies. I'm adding some ginger, some garlic, and also the onion. 2 medium-sized onions, that would be fine. Now I have to fry everything. Once it turns light brown in color, I'll mix everything and grind it to a fine paste. As you can see, I've fried all the ingredients, and after it cools down, I'll be grinding this also to a fine paste. Now this is the fried mixture. Now I've taken one more small mixie jar. To this I'm adding 3 to 4 full handful of fried gram. This I shouldn't add any water or anything, and I have to dry grind it. This is the fried gram. I've grinded it into a fine powder and kept it aside. Now I've taken keema. Now I'll just grind it once in the mixie jar, and then I'll show you how much I've grinded. It's just one turn, not too much, or else it will become very smooth. You just have to just turn it once and switch it off. As you can see, we are turning it towards the left side, just this one, and that's it. If you can see, this is what our keema looks like. I'll be doing it for the rest of the keema and show you the final thing. Now this is the keema. For this I had added the grinded mixture. Now to this I'll be adding around 1 handful of finely chopped coriander, then the fried gram that we had grinded, I'm adding it completely, and around 1 big spoon of dhania powder, and I'll be mixing everything. I'll also add salt to it, mix everything and show you once I'm done. To this I've added around half to 3/4 spoon of salt and mixing everything. Now I've mixed everything completely. Now I'll make keema balls out of it and show you once I'm done. Make the keema vada. I've taken small keema balls. I'll make all them into a small keema balls and place it. Then I'll show you how it is made. Now as you can see, I've made the keema balls ready. The keema balls are ready. I'll be deep frying it and showing you. Now as you can see, the keema balls are ready. I've also kept oil for shallow frying. I'll place them one by one. I'm showing you. Okay, if you want, you can also deep fry it. Why I prefer shallow frying it. I'm frying them on medium flame, sim to medium flame. I'll just allow it to cook on either side. After a minute, I'll flip it and show you again. Now, again, I'm flipping the keema on the other side. Now, as you can see, This is our final Kheema Vada. Do try this recipe at home and let me know. Thank you everyone, and do follow my channel for more updates. Thank you.